Ty's Travels Beach Day by Kelly Starling Lyons. Pictures by Nina Mara. Ty looks out the window. The sky is blue. The sun shines. What a good day for the beach. Ty puts on his trunks. Trunks are swim shorts. He grabs his pail and toys. Pails are buckets, like if you want to make a sandcastle, you have to use a bucket. Daddy and Ty go outside. They step in the warm sand. Ty wiggles his toes and grins. Ty and Daddy dig. They find seashells. They build a sandcastle. Ty spots a seagull. He shows Daddy. What will Ty see next? Ty wipes his face. He spots their cooler. Ty pulls out some ice pops. They drip and taste so good. So Ty is back home and he's playing with his sandbox. They drip and taste so good. What will Ty see next? Do you see a cooler in the picture? What color is it? Tell me in the comments. The sea sparkles. Come on, Daddy, Ty says. Ty runs and splashes. Daddy splashes too. What will Ty see next? So you can see, like, in the background, there is a boat, and there's a helicopter, some seagulls, and a hot air balloon. And you can see a coconut tree in the end of the page. Then Ty hears something. Thwack! He looks next door. All Ty sees is the fence. Ty spots a beach ball. Up, 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 then down and thwack. Up, 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 then down and thwack. So the beach ball is usually for playing volleyball. I love playing volleyball. What's your favorite game to play at the beach? The volleyball, like the beach ball, is red, green, and blue. Up, up, up. Uh-oh, the ball flies over the fence. Ty hits the ball back. Thwack. Ty spots his friend Jazz. He's holding the ball. Thanks, Ty, Jazz says, waving. Ty looks at Daddy. Daddy smiles and nods. Wanna come to our beach? Ty asks Jazz. Jazz asked his mom. He is back in a flash. Jazz steps in the warm sand. He wiggles his toes and grins. Ty and Jazz dig a moat. They splash. They surf the waves. What will they see next? A moat A moat is a thing that surrounds a castle usually. So like in case any intruders come, they cannot just walk in the palace. They have to swim across the moats. Ty spots a crab. What a cool way to move. Daddy starts them off. So if you don't know, a crab moves sideways. So they're not walking front like usual. They sidewalk. Which is really cool. That's really unique. On your mark, get set, go! Ty and Jazz crab race. What will they see next? Ooh, I see something in the background there. Can you tell me in the comment what that gray thing is? I think it's some sort of sailboat in the distance and you cannot see it because of the waves. What do you think? Jazz spots his beach ball. Thwack. He hits it to Ty. Thwack. Ty hits it to Daddy. Back and forth, again and again. So they're playing volleyball, which is my most favorite game. What's your favorite game to play at the beach? Tell me in the comments. The sun shines. Ty and Jazz wipe their faces and plop on the sand. Ty spots the cooler. Daddy gets the ice pops. There's so much to see at the beach. Ty saw the best thing of all, a friend. Do you guys have a best friend? I obviously do. I have a lot. Make sure to spend a lot of time with your friends in summer because some friends are in different schools, so they can't be with you that often. So try and be with them every day. Like going to the beach or going to the swimming pool. Try doing that. It's really fun to spend time with your friends. You have 3 months. So try making the most of it, guys. Goodbye. Have a great summer.